Baby bus.
Ninasaur makes friends. Ninasaur had moved to a new neighborhood. Her dad said to her,
Nina, I heard that there are two cute dino children here. Why not go play with them and become friends?
Friends? What are friends?
Friends are someone who play, sing, and eat cookies with you.
Wow! I like playing, singing, and eating cookies. I want to make some friends.
Ninasaur was very happy, but she became worried again.
But, Dad, how do I make friends? What if no one wants to play with me?
Dad smiled and took out a small pink toy bear.
Nina, this is an amazing little bear. As long as you have this bear with you, you will make friends.
Really?
Of course! You only need to take this little bear and say to the other kids, Hello, I'm Nina. Do you want to play with me and my little toy bear?
I only need to do that? That's amazing! I'll try it tomorrow.
Ninasaur hugged her little teddy bear. She looked forward to making some new friends the next day.
Dad, I'm going out to play.
The next day, Ninasaur woke up very early. She held her little bear close as she walked out of the house.
Daddy Dino, good morning. Good morning, good morning, little baby. Huh? Who's singing?
Ninasaur walked over curiously.
Hi, I'm your new neighbor.
New neighbor? Hi, I'm Thundersaur.
Oh, dear. Thundersaur was also a little shy. Ninasaur took her little bear out carefully.
I'm Ninasaur. Do you want to play with me and my little bear?
Yes. Your little bear is so cute.
Thundersaur really liked the little bear. He sat with Ninasaur, laughing and playing.
Nina, I have a toy too. It's a little super dino my dad gave me.
Thundersaur took out his favorite toy.
Now that we're good friends, let's share our toys.
Yes!
Ninasaur was very happy.
I've made a good friend. This little toy bear must be magic.
After a little while, Bullysaur ran over. He covered Thundersaur's eyes with his hands.
Hey, Thundersaur! Guess who it is?
Good morning, Bullysaur.
Thundersaur knew exactly who it was. Bullysaur didn't want to admit defeat. He stuck a finger out and...
Ha! I'm going to tickle you.
Oh no! Help! I'm very ticklish. Stop!
Both of you are so funny.
Ninasaur saw what they were doing and thought it was very funny. Bullysaur only noticed Ninasaur then.
Hello! I'm Bullysaur. Did you just move here? Let me tell you, I'm very familiar with this place. I can take you around to play.
Hi, I'm Ninasaur.
Ninasaur spoke softly as she passed her little bear over.
Do you want to play with me and this little bear?
Yes! I brought my toy car too! It's the coolest, most dazzling, fastest car! Whoosh!
Bullysaur took out his toy car.
Let's play like he's riding the bus. Beep, beep, beep. The bus is setting off. Little bear, hurry up and get on the bus. Driver Bullysaur is taking you out to play. Whoosh!
Little bear is here.
Super Dino is here too.
Ninasaur was very happy. She had made 2 good friends. Children, do you have any good friends? What games do you play with them?